Okay, we've got our head here. We've let this all set up and dry. We've sanded this down. So now we're going to have to cut this off here, because this is going to be our back piece that we'll be able to take on and off if we have to. And then we'll put this piece on. So we've got to cut this first. Got that piece cut off. Then we can mark this. What we have to do is cut this piece out. I don't want to get below that line. So we're going to cut this piece out in here for now, on this side, and then we'll come back. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.